stand here recognizing where this battle situates us in history. The struggle to ensure that voting is open to all Americans, regardless of their color, their skin color, has made progress in the last 50 years, but it's not done yet. We recognize that the right to vote is the most precious right we have as citizens, and that all other rights are derivative from our ability to exercise that freely. And that the legislature can't cut off avenues of participation that it knows that some of the state's most marginalized citizens use and rely upon.
We've seen what happens when states severely restrict early voting. That is what Florida did in 2012. And what did we see? People voting 8 hours after the polls had closed. 200,000 Floridians giving up because lines were too long for them to wait to vote. We do not need that here in North Carolina. It is not something that North Carolinians were calling for. And it's something that the legislature only spent 48 hours debating before they passed it.
And I thought I should step up to the cause because I've lived long enough to know what the struggle was to get the right to vote. And it seems to me that this struggle is being renewed and refreshed with us. The hands of the civil rights clock seem to be turning back. And I'm real concerned about what's happening in North Carolina.
This new law could usher in the most radical discriminatory changes in North Carolina's election process in decades. This law creates new barriers to vote. It unconstitutionally limits citizens' right to vote, where they can vote, when they can vote, how they can vote.
And the right to vote was a powerful right that people needed in order to move forward in our society.
The question we have for them is, why are you making it harder for North Carolinians to enter the ballot box? Why is that something that we're doing in 2013? Why are we revisiting darker days here in North Carolina?